Hi guys, and welcome to another Bootstrap Blueprints video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesigntechtips.com. Well, we've been putting together this little site. We actually built it with the awesome Bootstrap Blueprints, and you can download this video from our link below, and there's also 80% off of it with the coupon that they've kindly supplied for this software. We put this site together in about 5 minutes, just a wireframe here. Now we're going through and actually customizing it and putting in the text and images that we actually want for the site. So we did the header, this other section with the buttons. We did the font awesomes yesterday and this image right here. Let's move on to the video section today. And when we built our site, we put it in a folder right here. That's the index.html, which is basically the page we're looking at. That was output by the Blueprint software. And to edit it, you need a text editor. If you don't have one, you can get the free brackets text editor from a link below this video also. Like I say, it's absolutely free and it's awesome. That's what I'm going to be using. So once installed, I'm just going to right click and open with my brackets text editor. And here's our HTML page. And this is basically what the browser sees and converts it into what you see as a web page. So I want to go down to that video section. Here we go. And like I've said before, once you click on an opening element for something, it'll show you the closing one also. Same with divs as well as, and it's really useful for editing thing. First thing I actually want to do is I want to make the background of this section, because we're here, I'm going to make it black and I'm going to turn the writing white. So let's do that. And they're using inline style on this site, so we've got to write it on the page. And to do that, I'm going to add style equals background. Now you can either write black or hashtag 000, which is the same thing. Semicolon in case I want to add some more code. Let's save that. Back to the site, refresh. There we go. And we've got a black background on that, which is absolutely fine. But you kind of lost the writing. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to change that writing to light colored. I think I'll change this button color so it stands out a bit more. And we learned how to do that with this section here. We're going to do exactly the same thing. We're going to give the writing the class of text light, or text white will do. And we're going to change the button color too. So back to our brackets text editor. And to change the actual writing itself, well, I guess we'll turn it white first. Okay, all of our writing's actually in this little section right here. There it is right there. So I'm just going to add, it's already got the text center class and it's telling it how wide it wants to be. So I'm just going to add text light. Save that, and that should turn our text here into a light color, so we should be able to see it again. There we go. And of course, to edit that, just write in what you want there, making sure not to clip off those pointy tags either side. And of course, just write in what you want on the subtitle also. Okay, let's save that, Control S, and back to the site. Refresh. As you can see, it's changed that text to the new text that I put in there. Now, learn more now. That's fine, and download now. I'll leave those to say what they want. If you wanted to change what those buttons actually said, you can do that here. And what we've not actually done is put a link in this at all. I'll demonstrate this today as well. And we want to demonstrate our video as well. So I want to change this button. The first one's blue because it's primary. We went through these colors the other day. So I'll make this second one success. and that should make it turn green. Just make sure it's going to do that. Control S. Okay, we haven't actually made these buttons link anywhere because I haven't got anywhere for them to go yet. But you see href right there? That's where the button link wants to go. And let's get the link to perhaps one of my websites here. And I'm just going to paste that in here. Just get rid of the hashtag. Make sure you paste it in and don't lop off those inverted commas there. Your URL wants to be inside there. Now if we save this and go back to the site, this is the Learn More button. I guess I'll write System 22 on there so we know what it is. Control S to save. Let's go back and refresh. There we go. Now when I click on this, it should take it to my website. Fantastic. But what it's done, it's taken it to the website, but it's taken it in the same tab. I'd kind of like it to open the new website in a new tab. And that's very easy to do also. What we need to do is after our href, after our regular link there, just put a space and we'll say target equals 2 lots of inverted commas, and I'm going to click on the underscore blank there, so you've got underscore blank. So that'll open this target in a new tab. Let's save that. Control S, back to the site. Now when I click on that button, let's refresh. It should open the new site in a new window. There we go. It's done that right there. Fantastic. Okay, moving on down, let's change the video. I'm going to go to YouTube and get the URL of one of my videos. What I'm going to go do is back to our brackets. If we move down, here's the actual video itself. Here's a responsive embed. And here's the video embed. And I'm going to, between that / right there and the question mark right there, I'm going to paste in the last entry on my video, the actual number of the video itself, and save that. Make sure you don't lop off that / and you make sure you keep that question mark rel equals 0. We'll save that. Control S, back to the site. There we go. I've got my own little video in there now. Make sure it's going to play. Yep, that's fine. So there we have it. That's how easy it is to edit the video section there and make a link with an external target, a different tab, and update your video info. Really easy. So I hope you've enjoyed that. Once again, this has been Jamie with System 22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Don't forget you can download this blueprint software from below this video with an 80% discount. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.